Good morning, friends. Today we have discussed your 11th class in how to high exams and then how to the first chapters means we will teach you your first units. First unit means diversity in living words, diversity. Then how much mark this unit is comes because as per the pandemic era, then we will teach you diversity. First unit. First unit diversity in living words. Diversity in living words. Diversity in living words. In this unit, your four chapter. Fourth chapter means I will tell. In this unit, 15 marks. 15 marks as per CBSE updated. 15 marks questions comes. Means the first chapter your diversity, the living word, you know the living word. Second chapter biological classifications, third chapters plant classifications. This is your first unit. Means fourth chapter animal kingdoms या animal classifications, plant kingdom या animal classifications, animal kingdoms. These things you can note it, plant kingdoms, no problems. Then you think about the living world. What is living? We are moving, flying, talking, respirations. These things you can understand to livings. Scientists also prove to that if moving and then living non-livings, so then we will discuss about what is livings, then how to prove that living. So these things happens. Diversity in living words. The living word. The living word means this. Then what is living? Question is come. What is living? Explain the step of the different. What is living? Explain the different steps of the various steps. Explain the various steps with example. Explain the various steps. With examples. These types of questions will becomes your with examples. Means what is livings? Then we will discuss about livings. Livings means birth to natural death. Basic concept, if you learn the basic concept of the biology, this is very important. Many theoretical books also, many books we can study not because if you learn the concept based biology, no rote learning. Biology is a very simple way. Whatever we are to teach you, same things I will wrote you, same things you can wrote in exams. Birth to natural death. Natural death, you know, this is a lifespan. This is a lifespan, means birth to natural death. Then how many characters, the various steps involved to these things means various characteristics of the living world. Various characteristics of living world. Living word means first growth, then metabolism, then reproduction, then cellular organization, organization. Then conscientiousness. Conscientiousness. These are the mainly 5 steps. Some books in different steps also you don't worry about, because you know only learn what is life, how many characters are the life, various characters livings. So life spans you know till birth to till natural death is called to life spans. Then characters, first is a growth, second metabolism, third reproduction, cellular organization, and conscientiousness. Then we will discuss about growth. Growth means, you know, growth, any plant growth in continuously. Mass in numbers means this is mass in numbers. Mass in numbers. Then plant growth continuously. Animal growth is limited a certain age. Just like example for human also under to animals. In mammalian growth means plant in your area, as a director ka plant, as a director indica, neem botanical names, that is continuous growing. In number also, mass also, strength also, this is about. But it is animals certain, Panthera tigris, Panthera leo, elephants, yeah, different animals, at certain age. So these things happen to certain age. Next things means we will rotate these things. Okay. Grow, mass and numbers increase. Number. Then different things. Plants, continuous growth. Continuous growth. Plant continuous growth. Animals certain age. Animals certain age. But you think about plant, only some plant is, because just like the banyan tree 200 to 300 years, but एक limitations are the year by year, but mostly a continuous growth. Then after that the metabolism comes. Metabolism means chemical substance involved. Any reactions. Chemical substance involve any reactions in metabolism, anabolism, and catabolism. In human physiology, you know anabolism and catabolism. These things happens. After that, reproductions, you know that reproduction are mostly 2 types. Mostly reproductions, because you know that mostly reproductions, asexual reproductions, and sexual reproductions. Asexual reproductions, name itself is telling, don't to learn. You just understand, name as in itself telling. Asexual reproduction means single parents by bacteria, is biospore, bacteria, virus, fungi, these things is happen. And sexual reproductions, plant and animals means plant also have 2 reproductive organs. You know, plant have 2 flower types. Flower part means calyx, corolla, endoecium, gynoecium. Gynoecium means and gynoecium is a reproductive part of the plant. So these things means involved to sexual reproductions. One more thing is this Panthera tigris means male and females, just humans, male and females means they are having 2 different types of chromosomes, XX, XY. So this is things happens to reproductions. Then we have come to that cellular organizations. Cellular organizations. Cellular organizations. Cellular organizations means how to develop the cell organs, means different organ to be one cell to second cells, means then 4 cells to 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32. Like this is the organization development, cell, different organization. Means of consciousness, you think about whenever consciousness means consciousness about whenever something happens means just a stimuli. You have know that some plant, if you touch, they have to express. Means they have to observe someone comes. Yes, some animals also stimuli. So someone having two nervous systems, but plant also having two wheels in where to make it. So this is your different characters, stimuli, consciousness in plant. Whereas then next steps you have this is the living words, then how many characters, different characters, but this is also very important, you can understand these things. Okay friend, thank you.